god, there's like a siren outside. Is this normal in Kuala Lumpur? I want to check this out. It's so loud. What's with the sirens, man? That's what I was hearing in my, oh my god. Like, it is so heavy. This is my first time seeing the heavy rain. Like, it's crazy. Bro. Do you do like coffee or drink or something? Like tea, like chai? Like no chai. It's so loud, it's like constant thunder. Oh my god, flash of lighting. Shit. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why did I come out here? I'm assuming the siren is due to some like, oh my god, what a flash. What? He's just chilling. I'm not chilling. I'm scared, bro. Stop the vlog. This just. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the flash, bro. When you see the flash, you're like, maybe I'll just go back inside. Okay, screw this. I'm going back inside. Oh my god. Okay, I decided to go get something. Get some food. Never seen anything like it. The thunder is so loud, the lightning. Oh. So to get some coffee, I get some chocolate as well. I get some biscuits. So I just had a really nice chat with the cashier. It is so slippy here, and I got some snacks. Oh my god, I cannot do this. Okay guys, so just back at the hotel. I got some snacks, I got some cashew nuts, got some fake Oreos, I got some Nescafe. We're right now in the middle of a thunderstorm, and I've never been such a scaredy cat. I've never been. And like, everyone is just so chill about it. They're not even, everyone is so, I mean, they would be used to it. They're not fazed by it at all. And there's these like warning things. I don't know whether it's a police car or like an automatic kind of like warning sirens, probably just telling people to stay indoors. I mean, it limits your movement. You can't really go very far. You're stuck to basically what I call the porch of a building. Basically, when you walk outside, there's like an archway. Basically, I looked it up. That shelter is completely protected because it's actually part of the building. It's grounded or whatever. And all the buildings, as far as I'm aware, are able to like withstand and handle lightning strikes. And in theory, you're completely safe. The thing here is there's the thunder, but then there's the loud lightning strikes that just catch you off guard, like bombs, like an explosion. I want to go out into the rain, but I am not. It's just too risky. It's not like Irish rain where you just go out and get soaked. Nah, bro, I don't want to get getting struck, bro. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I'm currently in a nice vegetarian shop and I'm having proper Asian food. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Which how about the dumpling?